Hello learners! Welcome back to day 3 of Django from scratch. In previous video we learned to set up our project and start the server. In this video we are going to learn how to create URLs and connect to views. We are going to learn two types today, simple URL and dynamic URL. First let us run our server. Our default server runs on 8000. Now we will see admin panel. Let's try logging in the admin panel. It's giving an error. Why? Because we have not created any superuser or any logging ID which can have access. So we have to migrate files to the DB SQLite 3. Type Python manage.py migrate. And we can see all the tables and files has been created in DB SQLite 3. Now we make our superuser. Type Python manage.py create superuser, no space between create and superuser. Enter your username. Enter email address. Your original email ID is not compulsory. Now create your password. Make it easy one that you can remember. You can't see the password entered here, so don't worry. I have entered the password 12345. It will show an error for weak password, but confirm with Y and can move forward. We have successfully created a super user. Now let's check in admin panel. Run the server. Enter the logging ID and password we have created. And we can see our admin panel has been accessed. This admin panel have only two components, user and groups. User are us. We can create as many user as we want. All this data is stored in DB SQLite 3, but we can't access the data directly. So we use an app called DB Browser, which we can download from Chrome directly. Now open the DB SQLite 3 file from our project. And we can see all the tables are being displayed here. The files are now mostly empty, but we can see the data once we filled in it. We can also change the name of our URL. Once we change the name, the page will be no longer available on old URL. Now the page opens on the new name or URL. Now we will learn to create and connect URLs to views. For that you have to make a file name views.py in the location where URL file is present. Type from Django.http import HTTP response. Now let's make a view. For that type def about us, bracket start, request, bracket close, colon, and press enter. As we press enter, we are inside a define. Now type return HTTP response, bracket start, this is about us page, bracket close. The content in bracket is what we are going to display on our view. We can write anything as we desire to display on our view. Now let us make a URL for our About Us view. For that, first type from book, which is our project name or project title, import views. Now we add a path. Type path, bracket start, about us slash, comma, views.aboutus, bracket close, comma. Here we give the name of the URL and call the URL from views, which has what to display. Sometimes the server shows an error, but don't worry, we just have to restart the server every time it shows an error. Let's check whether the About Us URL we made is working or not. And we can see the content we write in views has been displayed on the page. Let's make another URL. We can see that our another URL is also working. Now let us learn to make a dynamic URL. Dynamic URL can also be called as sub-URL. Like while using Amazon, we can see various products. Once we click a particular product, a detailed page is opened. Now there are thousands of products, but only one detailed page on which all the products are displayed independently with the help of dynamic URL. Type def contact details, bracket, request, comma contact ID, bracket close, colon, and press enter, and then return HTTP response bracket, contact ID, bracket close. Here we are returning the sub-URL itself on the page. Let's make a path. Type path, bracket, contacts details, slash less than sign, contact ID greater than sign, comma, views.contacts details, bracket close. Restart the server. Let's try running our dynamic server. Localhost :8000/contacts details/contact ID. Here we can give any value in integer. Now we will change the URL type from int to string. Restart the server. As our sub-URL is a string, it is displaying string. Now we will change the URL type from string to slug. Restart the server. As we change the URL type from string to slug, the string URL is showing an error. Slug URL consists of only alphabetical characters and dash sign. If we don't give any specification of what type the URL is going to be, it will accept any URL. Restart the server. Now the URL can accept integer, string, and slug, all of them.